Say goodbye to double chins. Sorry, Jupiter. This week we're gonna be getting a Gua Sha facial. Ooh, very mesmerizing. And learning pro tips for how to properly Gua Sha if you're interested in doing this from home. Let me tell you, this is the latest skincare hack that I've seen all over TikTok. Let's watch together. Amazing. In short, Gua Sha facial is a traditional Chinese medicine technique meant to improve blood flow in your face, to increase circulation, and the craziest thing is that it can temporarily alter your face shape. Tell me this isn't crazy. Like this, or like this. Amazing. So Gua Sha facials are done in a really gentle and smooth way as opposed to neck and shoulder Gua Sha, which is more intense to also improve circulation. I might actually be interested in that one next time. I've seen this around, I know it's been around for centuries. It also claims to reduce puffiness, increase circulation, release muscular tension, lifts the skin, contours the face, and stimulates collagen production. A little bit of everything. Plus, it's also said to improve lymphatic function, which can result in beautiful glowing complexion. Which leads me to why I'm interested in trying it out. So over the years, as I've gotten older, I've noticed my double chin pops in more than usual in videos and pictures and a little bit of everything. Sometimes I'm lazy with my camera and I'm kind of vlogging over here. It's just, I've become a little self-conscious about it, and I almost feel like my face is falling as the years go by, just like my little titties. Everything's sagging a little bit more. It's okay. We are being gracious on ourselves. But what I thought was really interesting is I've heard that just like you exercise your body, you need to exercise your face and get the blood flowing. So I'm gonna treat myself today. I'm in my robe, I'm feeling good, I'm feeling cute. So if you're familiar with the jade roller, this is actually very similar, except that it looks like a boomerang shaped stone with no roller. So YouTube has a ton of tutorials to show you how it's used, but I will actually be testing this out by a professional skincare specialist to get the best results because I learned my lesson, let me tell you. Plus, if you guys saw my recent vlog, you've been updated on my skin journey when I ruined my face trying dermaplanning. It was the worst thing ever. Lesson learned, leave it to the professional. So now I'm on this little skin journey. I was here and here and here, and now I am here, much, much better. Now I'm trying to get rid of the scars. I'm trying to just love on my skin. So we're doing this for her. Let's do a little before and after, shall we? So this is my before. All I see in these videos are my chin hairs reflecting against my white chair and this dandruff. People, this is something else I have to fix. You see, that's why I tried dermaplaning, and I don't know why the hell I have so much dandruff. Anyways, for another video, I don't know. So welcome to Beauty Busters, where we test out internet beauty and products to see if they're a whoop, a poop, or maybe baby, meaning they may work for some people and they may not work for other people. Comment your prediction down below. This is the double chin I never want to get rid of, okay? Look at this little baby. See, double chins can be cute.
I want to break free.
I want to eat it. Now, the very first step to this was actually to fill out an intake form so that the facialist can have a better understanding of what I'm looking for and can gear the session towards my needs. Some things I found very interesting are all of this, like, other kind of stuff was involved, and I was like, interesting. Let's go. Transition to the salon. So I didn't tell you guys this, but my producer actually called over 20 different places, and there are only 4 in the Orlando area. So I'm not really sure why this isn't more common. And that kind of led me to want to look into reviews.
Negative reviews.
And I don't know why I do this to myself prior to all of this, but here are some of the negative reviews. I'm a little nervous. What the heck is the danger triangle zone? Should I be concerned?
Why is the triangle of the face dangerous? Due to the special nature of the blood supply to the human nose and surrounding area.
It is possible, albeit extremely unlikely, for retrograde infection from the nasal area causing cavernous sinus, thrombosis, meningitis, or brain abscess. Never attempt to pop a pimple in the danger triangle area of the face. So my brain must be so swelled because I've done this plenty of times, but it is always good to look at the negatives. I will definitely be asking this to the Gua Sha lady. I probably will forget, to be honest.
Yay, I'm here.
Hello, we're here waiting.
Fuck yeah. Everybody going on my shoes. I
Dennis told me to record him. He wants to show you guys his awesome shoes. That's what's up. That's what's up. All right, cool. Yep. So when I first arrived at the salon, it was super cute. It was filled with all these plants. It was so relaxing, beautiful aura. Absolutely loved it. And I was greeted by the beautiful Zaydimar, who is gonna be my facialist for the day. I was feeling super relaxed. The place was very beautiful. The specialist actually booked me out for 2 hours for their appointment, but the facial was about 45 minutes to an hour. So the rest of the time we chatted about the process, the different parts of the body, and Dennis and I learned so much. Literally, we were like taking a class. It was the best thing of my life. So what I ended up discovering is that a lot of skin conditions such as psoriasis, eczema, acne, whiteheads have a lot to do with the lymphatic system, and so Gua Sha really helps the connective tissue and muscle tension release so that the lymphatic fluid can drain back properly to the heart, which I found absolutely fascinating.
Your body is a whole system.
Yeah,
you know, you have a gastroenterologist doctor, I hope I said that right. Then you have a dermatologist, not knowing that both of those things go hand in hand. If you have gut issues, if you have leaky gut, if you have an inflammation in the gut, if you have low stomach acid, that can all appear on the skin. If you're lactose intolerant, if you're sensitive to alcohol, that could just inflame you right up, and you're just like, what the F? Like, what's going on? So this is like your arms, your elbows, your hands, your head. This is your spine with your hip being all here. And this comes out to be your knees, your feet right here. So you could be experiencing something in your knees right here.
Am.
Oh my God,
This
so
one.
intuitive.
Seriously.
Did this one hurt more?
Yeah.
So it might be just the knee pain that you're feeling?
Yeah, I am. I don't know why. I feel like I'm swollen down here for some reason. Like, isn't the human body just absolutely incredible? I even got a little curious and asked her, can you get Gua Sha on other parts of your body? And homegirl said yes. So give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see me Gua Sha my ass. I'm here. So there it is. We shall see if it really did make a difference. So she began by massaging my face with oil, which was so relaxing, absolutely amazing. Dennis was living it up. He wanted to be in that chair, okay? So she put on this green mask that had all of these crazy ingredients I had never really heard of. And what it was supposed to do is all the properties in it were supposed to move the lymphaticness. So she then put some rocks all over my body, and I started to feel everything draining. And it was so interesting because you can actually see on the throat how the rock was moving, because it was just kind of pulsing out all of this gunky things out of my body. She also massaged me with all these different stones, all the different balls in the world. We got some balls in the house. And she was nice enough to give me a little suction cup majiggery. Look at this.
So right here, we're creating some space within the subcutaneous layer.
I look like I have like some kind of hickey. Overall, what I felt was just pure relaxation. I felt myself becoming a little more tired. The whole day I was peeing more, I was pooping more, past the chocolate delight, which she did mention would happen. I was really just cleansing myself, and I woke up this morning feeling really tired, which is totally normal because I've had lymphatic massages before for my breast explant, just to remove all the toxins, and so you will be feeling a little bit tired. What I was most surprised by is just the love and like almost like a ritual that they put into all of the areas of the face. It truly is a massage for your face. I drastically did feel less swelling on my face. I felt like my sinuses were a little bit more clear, but I will say that I do kind of feel like I'm less like this. Like, it's almost hard for me to do that. Like, I definitely felt like there was a lot of gunky stuff going on here. It is also very interesting that when I was getting the facials, she was also massaging my neck, my shoulders to release any tension that I might have had. So this is actually the second day. This is my second day face. I genuinely feel more snatched, but I don't feel like it's this crazy, like clickbaity type of thing that we're seeing all over TikTok. And I actually learned a lot from her, specifically being that because this is becoming such a big beauty routine, there are a lot of people who are just kind of slapping this on to their salons and saying,
Yeah, we do Gua Sha.
but it is a very traditional Chinese medicine that people should know how to do, and lymphatic drainage is no joke. So even with you and all the tips that I'm giving you here on how you can do this at home, just be careful, just be educated. This goes for you, as I've shown you how I ruined my face doing something at home. I would always seek to first go to a professional. She did mention you can easily just do this at home. Just be very careful with like the scraping and the motions of it, and not to overdo it. She said she doesn't recommend you to do this every single day, so take that into account. But I think it's important to go to a professional first, see what the regimen kind of is, and then see if that's something that you feel comfortable doing at home. I personally just feel like the whole lymphatic area shouldn't be touched. It's very close to your throat, which is close to like, you know, hypothyroid, and I'm not the scientist, but she said all this stuff, okay? but I don't think it's that drastic the way that they show in TikTok. So just keep that in mind. I think it's a beautiful self-love like kind of ritual. It's something beautiful to do for yourself and your little routine. She mentioned that a proper Gua Sha massage is something that also extends beyond just like your face. So it's the neck, it's the shoulders, it's maybe a little bit of the back, and just above and beyond. She was amazing. Love you, girl. Comment below if you notice a difference in my face. Also comment below if you actually use this at home or if you've gotten done professionally, and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to know. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and if you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Leave me a comment letting me know what other beauty busters you'd like for me to test out next. Should we do sugaring? Should we Gua Sha my booty? I don't know. You let me know what's out there. You subscribe if you haven't already and you like what you see, and I will see you guys. Oh, and check out my vlog channel if you want little snippets of fun with me, extraness. I love you guys. Sending you lots of love from this side of the screen, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
See, we're closing. Natalie, what the hell are you doing?
Can we do more beauty busters like this, guys? Just comment below. I want to be in relaxed. Thumbs up if you want me to Gua Sha my ass. What's that butt? Thanks.
Ah, you're mine now.